Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to make cooking cream that's rich, creamy and perfect for your favorite recipes. Here it's all you need. You need 2 cups of full cream powdered milk. You can use liquid milk if you want. Then 3 tablespoons of butter or margarine. I use margarine as you can see, and then 1 tablespoon of 2 tablespoons of corn flour. And the corn flour is totally optional. That is if you want your cooking cream to be a little bit thicker. Firstly, I'm going to combine my powdered milk and water and then mix with a whisk to avoid lumps. For this recipe I use 4 cups of water to 2 cups of powdered milk. That's if you want to make it a liquid milk. Set it aside, and then in a small bowl put 2 tablespoons of corn flour and mix with water to make your corn flour slurry. Let's get started. Firstly, you're going to melt your butter over low heat. The heat should be very low, please, and let it melt slowly and gently. Be careful not to let it brown. Once the butter is melted, slowly add the milk, stirring gently as you can see to combine with the butter. If you cover it like this, you have to be there so that it won't start to pour out of the pot. You notice when it starts boiling. I remove the lid so that when it starts boiling, it won't pour out of the pot. I'm still turning it to make sure it's well incorporated. Once it starts boiling, you can see bubbles of boiling. You add the corn flour slurry gradually while whisking it constantly. Keep stirring to avoid lumps. Allow this mixture to simmer on low heat for about 5 to 6 minutes until it slightly thickens. Remember, it will thicken as it cools. And that's it. Your homemade cooking cream is ready to use. You can store it in an airtight container, as you can see, and keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days. Yes, it can stay in the fridge for up to 3 days. If you found this recipe helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Let me know in the comments how you plan to use your homemade cooking cream. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.